Hey everybody, Josh here, Ham Shack TV, AA4WX. Thank you so much for subscribing. As a matter of fact, that's why we're making this video. It's cold out here, but I couldn't wait. I can't do a live stream right now because we're actually live with the Santa Claus net right now. But real quick, short video here. Tonight, this channel hit a major milestone, 3,000 subscribers. Holy cow, 3,000 subscribers, and we've only been going since August. Late July, early August, right around the Huntsville Ham Fest. So we hit that big number tonight. This channel has got staying power. It's here to stay. I can't thank you guys enough. Folks that are hitting that subscribe button, thank you. If you're hitting the like and commenting, thank you. If you are sharing the video, thank you. If you're going down in the description down below and hitting the affiliate links for different things, thank you. If you have bought ham radio prep using coupon code HamShackTV, thank you. We've got some big things coming up in 2025, folks. We've got 3 major ham fests that we're going to hit. I need your support. By shopping at the affiliate links, that helps this channel. So that will help with the expense of traveling to these ham fests. Dalton, Georgia, medium-sized ham fest, but it's one of the bigger ones here in the South. We'll be doing that one in February. Dayton, Ohio is coming in May. We're going. Ham Shack TV will be there. We're going to make some huge content for you. And then once again, we'll be going down to Huntsville in August. Love Huntsville Ham Fest. So just want to make a short video and say thank you. I appreciate you subscribing. Keep telling your ham friends about this channel. Help make this channel grow. If you're not a ham radio operator, don't forget hamradioprep.com. Use coupon code HamShackTV for an extra 10% off. I'm excited, guys. I can't believe we've hit 3,000 subscribers. We've been plateaued at 2,600, and then in the past couple of days, we have just rocketed up to 3,000. The next big radio giveaway will be when we hit 10,000. Shout out to Ronnie. He likes to ask about when I'm doing the next giveaway all the time. 10,000 is the next giveaway. Keep sharing this channel. Let's make this channel grow. Let's get up there. Let's get up there with Jason and Josh and Ham Radio Dude and Ham Radio Tube and all those guys. Not a Rubicon. Let's get in there. Let's get into that conversation. We got a long way to go, but we're going to get there, and it's thanks to you guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all your support. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and we will keep cranking out good content. Hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Stay tuned for more content. This is I'm so excited I can't even talk. This is AA4WX, WSEB 693 73s.